Hi guys! Ngayon, i-review natin yung another jewelry diamond. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, may jewelry card na rin to. And then, may IGI certificate. Yung IGI certificate is for the diamond only. And this one, IGI card, the jewelry report card. Ayan. Naka-indicate yan, 79 grams containing 1 laboratory-grown diamond. Try natin i-search sa IGI website niya kung naka-register talaga siya doon. Actually, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng card or certificate kung hindi kayo nag-certified mismo dito sa website. Ayan. Loading lang. As you can see, may e-copy yan. It means ito yung electronic copy. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Laboratory grown diamond jewelry report. And then, let's move on to the diamond report. Ayan. Kung makikita niyan, dyan din yung IGI report number. Yung IGI report number, yun din yung serial number sa mismong diamond kung ipapakita nyo siya sa mga jewelry shop. But you cannot see the serial number in the naked eye. Ayan, check natin sa IGI website. Verify your report, and then ilalagay nyo lang yung IGI report number dito. And then, yun, verify. Medyo matagal lang yung net, guys. Ayan. So you can see laboratory ground diamond, round, brilliant. Ayan, yung color grade niya is D Clarity, BBS1. It means naka-categorize siya ng under premium quality grading. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Huwag niyo siya actually iwawala yung certificate and the jewelry card. Kasi kung nawala niyo siya, later on, kung magbabalak kayo magbebenta, kailangan niyo rin yan ipakita yung certificate and card. Mas malaki kasi yung resale value if ever na meron pa kayong card and certificate. Kasi dun din magbabase kung ano yung quality grading doon. Remember the price that even resale value price, it will be depend under your quality jewelry. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. It means yung BBS1, second rank siya sa pinaka malinaw. And then yung color niya is D, colorless. Pinaka-top siya na ang puti ng bato. Ayan. Even 0.51 karat lang siya. Malaki na siya, guys. Especially sa mga payat yung mga daliri. Ayan. For me, may advice ako. Kung ikaw yung passionista na nagko-collect ng mga jewelry, you're more on gold, why not to have at least one diamond in your life? Ayan. At saka make sure na yung quality ng diamond nyo is medyo mataas. Para when it comes na darating man kayo sa punto na gusto niyo siyang ibenta, may resale value pa rin siya dahil sa quality grading ng diamond nyo. Ayun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!